Hi, this is 𝗽𝘀𝘀𝘄cie𝗿𝗱. Welcome to another episode of Lightroom tutorial. You can download free preset for Lightroom, link in description, which includes desktop version as well. There is XMP file you can also use for Lightroom Classic, and also on Photoshop RAW filters. And, if you are using a tablet or a mobile phone, there is a DNG version too. Make sure you watch the video till the end to get password. If you really like the video, please support us by liking this video. We will keep providing you high quality stuffs. This is the preview of the preset, before and after. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell icon for more videos. And give your valuable comments below. Password consists of 4 numbers and the password will appear on top right corner as a card. Now let's get started with Lights panel. Contrast to -52. And now highlights to -30. Change shadows to 20. Whites to -24. And then, blacks to -60. Now go to tone curve. Let's go to Colors panel. Temperature to 10. Vignette to -10. Saturation to -14. Now go to Color Mix. On red, saturation to -26. Luminance to +20. Saturation to -20. Luminance to 16. On green, hue to -20, and saturation about -46, then the luminance to -26. On aqua, saturation to -26 and luminance to -16. On blue, change the hue to -40. Then saturation to -30. After that, adjust luminance to -20. Then click Done. Select Effects panel, and change clarity to +1.6. Then dehaze to 20. Go to Split Tone, and adjust the highlights, hue to 22 and saturation to 14. And adjust the shadows, hue to 24 and saturation to 6. Now copy the setting and paste it your other photos. Sometimes, after applying the preset, your photos may look dull. To make it right, you need to adjust the exposure, highlight, contrast, white and blacks a bit high if your photos are dark, as well as the shadows, so the color look warmer and just better. Just go through the video and follow the steps, or you don't want to waste time. Download the free preset.